contest?
Hey guys, it's me again. Sorry I look horrible. I just got done swimming and going off a rope swing. But anyway, I have my friend here and we just got done eating a whole large pizza to ourselves. Thank you, Hometown Pizza. It's really good. Okay, anyway, so since you guys wanted me to do more gassy burps instead of airy burps, I'm gonna try with pop and since I just ate pizza. Okay, this isn't working. This is so awkward. Okay. That was my friend, by the way. That wasn't me. And she's dying laughing right now. Oh gosh. Okay, here it goes. Oh, okay. That works too. I'm getting there. Oh, that was nasty. Okay, well, there. And then some people said that I should burp some words. So I'm gonna burp some words for you guys. Hey guys. It's me again. Do it. No, they want it. Do you guys want to hear my friend fart? Okay, she's gonna try. Do it. Hold on. Okay, here she goes. Okay, now here she goes. Oh my god, that was gross. Okay, we're gonna make more videos tonight because we're really bored and we have nothing to do. Okay, so tell me what you guys want again. Anything. We'll do anything. So my dog just farted. Come here, buddy. Here, I'm gonna show you my dog. Buddy, come here. It's after me. Come here, buddy, 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 buddy. Come here, buddy, 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 buddy. Come here. Come here. Holy crap, he's really heavy and big. Hi, guys. Hi, buddy. Say hi. Oh. He's really fat. Okay, anyway. Okay, tell me what you want next. Peace.